Welcome to episode 22 of DGDG's Happy Place.
Here at the Grande Dealer Group, we encourage everybody to live well and to be happy, so we created this show for you to help you find your happy place.
And today is a special day. We're not in the studio. We are live on the scene at the Silicon Valley Auto Show at the San Jose McHenry Convention Center.
And we're gonna get ready to show you all of our favorite things and check out all the cool cars. Let's go.
So one of our favorite parts of the Silicon Valley Auto Show is not only the new cars that are coming out on the market, but some of the customized cars, a few of which we have behind us.
Yep, like the Viper is right back here, which will be the final year of the Viper production, but that's totally okay because Dodge is introducing the 2018 Demon that has like 855 horsepower, which is like no big deal.
Super fast.
And it's street legal.
Yeah. So let's take a closer look at some of these cool cars.
Back to the studio is a row of cars that we may never get to own or drive.
I can't drive it, but I can still look at it, and that's enough to make me happy. So we've enjoyed our time here, but now it's time to go back to the studio.
And we're back. We are going to talk with a couple folks here at DGDG about food, because who doesn't want to know a good restaurant to eat at around DGDG headquarters and Capitol Expressway? So they're going to share with us their favorite spots when they get the munchies.
Let's roll that tasty footage.
Hey guys, I'm Tommy. We're at Joba Restaurant. It's an East African restaurant here, located near Capitol Expressway Auto Mall. What I always order every time I've came here is the roasted goat cutlet plate with basmati rice. Has like their special Somalian spices on it, and it's amazing. You don't get goat at a lot of restaurants, but it's pretty dang good. Kind of tastes like beef, believe it or not, and it's actually halal. So it's actually prepared a certain way. I think food makes me happy, especially eating at, like ethnic cuisines, because you have a lot of authentic food from their homeland and they're bringing it to here to California. So we get kind of taste a piece of their homeland. It's a unique experience.
Let's talk about the next 28 days. It is going to be February, which means the end of football and heart-shaped candy boxes.
So who are you going to be rooting for this 52nd Super Bowl? Are you going to root for the Patriots or the Eagles, or maybe you're not rooting for any of them and you're going to be sad? But either way, you get to celebrate because it's going down in Minneapolis on February 4th.
My money's on Tom Brady and his Patriots.
Who's Tom Brady?
Oh, I don't know. Some dude.
February 14th is our favorite holiday, and it's Valentine's Day. It's a fun time to put a smile on your loved ones' faces and remind them how much you care about them.
And last year, we competed in the Super Run at Almaden Lake Park in the rain, which was no big deal because we conquered it, and we'll be doing it once again on February 17th.
Time to start my training. That's all we got for this month.
So be happy and go long. Oh, wait, hold on.
Josh!